2024 Nissan Serena e-Power, the best luxurious minivan. Nissan Serena e-Power is not for sale yet. You can only register if you are interested. Even though it hasn't been officially launched yet, sales orders for the Nissan Serena e-Power have already been opened. They are selling the sliding door MPV on social media. You can pivot with a booking fee of IDR 10 million. Estimated units will be delivered in June 2024, said one Nissan salesperson in the East Jakarta area. Because the unit delivery time is still long, the salesperson also promises that the booking fee can be returned 100%. This applies if the Indonesian version of the Serena C28 later has specifications that do not meet consumer expectations. Regarding the price of the 2024 Nissan Serena e-Power, the promised estimate is IDR 635 to 679 million. In other words, the increase is IDR 100 million compared to the Serena C27 currently sold in Indonesia. The price tag is also more expensive than the Toyota Voxy, which is now sold starting at IDR 599 million. If the price of the latest Nissan Serena is expensive, it's actually reasonable because it uses e-Power technology. What's that? Before ordering the Nissan Serena e-Power, it's a good idea to read this article to the end. Orders for the 2024 Nissan Serena e-Power are now open in Indonesia. What about the specifications? Indeed, there is no official information yet. However, Nissan sales promise that e-Power technology will be embedded in the sliding door MPV. In Japan, the Serena C28 uses a 1.4-liter 3-cylinder engine combined with the e-Power system. This engine not only produces strong power, but is also impressive in terms of fuel efficiency. Using e-Power technology, the latest Nissan Serena's fuel consumption reaches 19.3 kilometers per liter. Meanwhile, for performance, it has 315 Newton-meters of torque and 161 horsepower of power. Then the drive system is front-wheel drive, FWD. One of the reasons Serena e-Power can save fuel is because the petrol engine is not there to drive the wheels. The petrol engine in this MPV is only for charging the battery generator function. So the wheels of the Serena C28 are only driven by an electric motor like an electric car. Great, right? Then for the interior, the latest Nissan Serena offers comfort for passengers with spacious cabin space. This is indicated by the driver's legroom being slightly larger, 120 millimeters, compared to the previous model, with the middle seat being able to be arranged in a 7-passenger or 8-passenger configuration. There is also the latest Nissan ProPilot 2.0 safety technology, which allows the car to accelerate, brake, and correct the steering automatically. Not to be left behind, there are also 100 VAC, 1,500 watt socket features to activate various electronic equipment while driving. Other features such as a touch screen head unit and a push-button transmission are standard. Now that you know the specifications, do you want to order the 2024 Nissan Serena e-Power? Or maybe you'd rather wait until later. After all, the official launch won't take place until next year.